Prerequisite JavaScript. Here are some of the fundamental JavaScript rules and syntax that you should know before continuing to explore the rest of this tutorial. Case sensitivity. JavaScript is case sensitive. The variables fruit, and fruit are all different variables. Line spacing. JavaScript ignores additional spacing. All of the shown examples are valid JavaScript. But just because you can use lots of spaces, tabs, and carriage returns, doesn't mean you should. The best practice is to include a space on either side of operator and assignment signs, the equals sign, to make the code more human readable. For this same reason, avoid code lines longer than 80 characters. If a JavaScript statement does not fit on one line, the best place to break it is after an operator. Ending statements. All JavaScript statements should end with a semicolon. Comments. Not all JavaScript statements are executed, code after double slashes, // or between /* and */ is treated as a comment. Comments are useful for adding notes to bits of code to make it easier to understand when revisiting it later. To comment out multiple lines of code at once, use Ctrl+/, Control key +/. This will place double slashes before the selected code lines. To remove it, press Ctrl+/ again. How to implement. In HTML, JavaScript must be placed between script tags. If you're following best practices and have your JavaScript in a separate file to the HTML and styling, then you'd place a relative URL link in the SCR attribute within the first script tag. Old JavaScript examples like above may use a type attribute, script type equals text/JavaScript. The type attribute is not required as JavaScript is the default scripting language in HTML.